The bounce from this area right here, you see the top of this, we call it knife, right? This zone, the bounce from it is giving me some kind of a level to put my stop loss somewhere in this area. A stop loss will be a good area, a good level. So now it's actually more logical to grab the short on the crude, right? Because I have a stop and look at my target. Okay? Make sense? As long as you incorporate volume profile, you will see levels clearly. And if you look at a smaller window of the chart, you see the level, the red level here, which is the basically the knife. So now we have an area, and above it should be considered a stop loss. So your risk is determined already, right? And I always say, if I don't know my stop loss, if I don't know where to put my stop loss, I am not going to get in a trade. So now it's actually more logical to get into this short with a risk-reward ratio in mind. Make sense? It's moving nicely. Now, one of the things that I like to do is to basically manage the trade at this time. For example, if I got in at the level when I called it, for example, at 78.40, we are down over 25 pips. So if we're doing 3 contracts or 3 lots, maybe mini, micro, standard, doesn't matter, 3, we take T1 for the first 2 lots, right? Now we have, for example, 20 ticks per lot. That is, we got 40 ticks, right? 40 ticks, first profit target, done. So we guaranteed 40 ticks. Now the stop loss, let's assume it's 15 ticks or pips or 10 pips, whatever. Even if it stops out, we're still making money. Now the other thing is that do I need to move my stop loss on the runner tighter or not? It depends on your perspective. If you want to catch a bigger move, then you need to be careful, because the market goes up and down. It's a zigzag, right? Just to clarify, as I said, oil today, earlier before I called that trade, 9:13 a.m. I mentioned that 75 is still in play. We have not, this was from last week. I mentioned that we might get 75 here, coming down to 75 level. Today I said it's not, still in play, and we might get it. And finally we got it where we wanted it, about 100 pips or so. And that's it.